most people जो data analyst बनना चाहते हैं, they usually start off by learning Excel or SQL through courses or some random YouTube videos. After learning, they do not know where to practice the skills from properly. So basically, learning incomplete रह जाता है because actual confidence तभी आता है जब आप खुद से कोई चीज़ practice करते हो. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all some top free websites जहाँ आपको Excel and SQL आप स्क्रैच से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. हेलो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. आई एम कीर्ति राजपूत एंड आई मेक वीडियोस ऑन एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स. The platform which I'll be sharing with you all in this video are very beginner friendly, बिल्कुल free हैं और jobs और interview preps के लिए भी काफ़ी useful है. So watch this video till the end. When it comes to practicing Excel, one of the most easiest place to start off with is Excel Easy. ये बिगनर्स के लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट वेबसाइट है बिकॉज दे एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट इन अ वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज and in fact you'll get a chance to practice it immediately. For someone who's just starting off, it is the most comfortable entry point. Another website is chandu.org. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'll be mentioning the name somewhere in the screen. And this website is basically on the practical side and focuses more on how Excel is used in the business scenarios and all. Yeah, you'll basically learn things like reporting, dashboards, analytical thinking. अगर आपको basics आता है और if you want to level up your Excel skills in the real world way, definitely practice from this website. You can also learn Excel using the free data sets available online, like especially sales data set, finance or HR data set. ये इस पे काम करके you'll get to understand how messy the real world data is and how important is cleaning and formatting in actual job. For practicing SQL, the most beginner-friendly website is W3 Schools. Do not need to install anything as it allows you to, write queries in the browser. Once आप SQL का basics जान जाओ, you can level up to SQL Bolt. They give you practice questions after every concept and they help you understand concepts like joins, filtering, grouping in a very logical way. For interview level practices, HackerRank is extremely important. Many companies use, questions from HackerRank in their hiring process. Practicing from this website boosts your confidence, prepare you well for real interviews. These were some of the top free websites you can practice Excel and SQL from. If you do regular practice from these websites, you do not need to enroll yourself again and again into different courses. Consistency is the only key and I know you can do it. That is it for today's video. Hope you like that. अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड share this video, comment on this video and do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.